Namaste, children. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Shweta, your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. See, in your previous class, we already completed your chapter 1 building with bricks. I hope you already completed your classworks. Now, let us start chapter 2 long and short. See, where do we use these terms? Yes, while comparing two things, we will use this terms long and short. See here, I have taken two pencils. Here the first pencil, you can see it is a short pencil, and second one is a long pencil. And see, two children are keeping in their hands, that is thread. Here the boy which is keep in his hand, that is long thread. Girls is short thread. Let us move on your textbook part. Please open your maths textbook. How far apart are the dots? Here dots they are given. See, dots are not arranged in a order. It is here and there. In this picture you can see. Here what they are saying means, dots you have to call it as points in maths. Guess the distance between any two points or dots. How many centimeter is it? Now measure it with the help of scale. Did you guess right? See, your question is, you have to guess, you have to take any two points and you have to guess the distance between the 2 point. And again you have to write that in your book, and again what you have to do, you have to take a scale and measure by using scale. See what you have guessed, and if you measure the distance, no, that distance both are same means, then you can tell that your guess is right. Like that only I have to taken distance between O and D, means I have guessed O and D as 0.8 centimeter. If I measured using scale, that is 1D as a 0.8 centimeter only, then my guess is right. So like that you can choose any 2 points, not only O and D, A and J, B and A, any 2 points you can take and you can do this activity. Next, which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Check your answer. Farthest means here, that is longer distance. Distance is more. See, here you can, by seeing only you can tell O and M are the farthest from each other, right? So you can see O and M are longest distance. And which two dots are nearest to each other? Check your answer. Nearest to each other, by seeing you can tell that O and D are the nearest to each other. Or you can measure by using scale. You will get which is the farthest one and which is the nearest one. O and D are the nearest to each other. The shortest line. See, here one story is there. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor. See, where do you heard these names Akbar and Birbal? Yes, in social. So in social, it is come. It is these two persons are comes under the Mughal Empire. That is, you will study in your previous class. Let us see now. Akbar. Akbar is a famous king, and he had a smart minister called Birbal. Birbal was a very famous, very clever. So Birbal was a very clever person, and Akbar is a famous king. In his kingdom, Birbal was a minister. Once Akbar, what he did, he draw a line on the floor, and he said to Birbal, Birbal, here is a line, make it shorter without erasing. See, first what Akbar did, Akbar draw a line on the floor. Then he told to Birbal, Birbal, you have to make this line as a shorter without erasing. So Akbar was a very clever. What he did, he draw another line. Um, he draw another line below of that line. Then what Akbar line is which, that is a Birbal drawn line, no? So that is a longest one, longest line, and Akbar line is a shorter one. So what he did, Birbal draw a line longest of compared to Akbar line. Then you can tell that he told, now your line is shorter, right? See here, you can observe in this picture, Akbar line is shorter line and Birbal line is longer line. Look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar line shorter. See here, what he did, he draw another line that is longest one compared to Akbar line. That he did. One thing you have to remember, what do you mean by line? Line does not have any end points. It extended in both the direction. So you can draw another line. So this concept you have to remember here. Now, can you be as smarter as Birbal? Yes, you have to be like Birbal. It is a very clever. No, you have to think like that. Make his line shorter without erasing it. What you have to, you will do? What Birbal draw? No, that line without erasing, you have to make it short. What you will do? Yes, exactly. You have to draw another longest line, which was Birbal what he draw. No, so that only you have to do, right? Just think, is there any longest line? See, you cannot tell this is line only a longest line. Why? Because line extended in both the direction. Line does not stop, it extended in both the direction. It does not have any end points. Okay, try this, you have to do it here. Let us see the answers. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. See what you have to do. Here, this our right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Left arm they drawn. Okay, left arm they drawn already. You have to draw a right arm. So that is 1 centimeter longer. See, you can see in this picture I already drawn. Next, draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. See, the cup first picture you can see that is the longest cup. So you have to make it 1 centimeter shorter. That is small cup you have to draw. And draw a broom of as long as this broom. See, broom you can see it is the longest broom, first picture. And you have to make it half. Make it half means you have to draw a small broom. See what you are doing here? You are doing what Birbal did, no? That only you are doing here. Right now, children? Draw another hair of double the length. See, double means what? You have to add 2 times, that is. See, double means the number, which number they are given, that number you have to add 2 times. See here, one hair is there. Draw another hair of double the length. See, one hair is there. One you have to double means you have to add 1 2 times. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, or 2 you have to double means 2 you have to add 2 times. That is 2 plus 2, 4. So like that. Double means 2 times a number you have to add. Here 1 is there. So you have to add another. That is you have to double means. So you have to add 1 2 times. That is 2. How tall have you grown? So, do you remember that in class 3 you measured your heights? See, in our school, you already you all checked your height and weight, right? Last year. So, do you think have you grown taller? Do you think that you have grown taller? How much centimeter you have grown? So what you have to do, how much height you have in the last year, and how much height you have in the this year, you have to uh, write, and you have to make find a difference means you have to subtract and you have to write the uh, write that number here. write that measurement here. Have your friends also grown taller? See, this you cannot check your friend's height. Nearby your home, anyone is there? You can compare and you can see. See here in this tabular column that only given. Find out and filling the blanks, filling the table below. Friend's name, last year height and this year height, and how much centimeter have they grown. Means last year how much their height, this year how much their height. So how many centimeter have they grown? What you have to do, last year height minus this year height, so how many centimeter you can get. And Jampa, next question, Jampa once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall, that is just double of Jampa's height. How tall is Jampa's centimeter? Here Jampa this girl, she is doing means she is reading a list of tallest people in the world. So one of them has his height has 272 centimeter tall. What Jampa is telling means that is just double of Jampa's height. 272 centimeter is there, no, that is just double of Jampa's height. How tall is Jampa's dash centimeter? So you have to find the what is the height of Jampa. Wow, his height is exactly double of my height. She is telling his height is 272 centimeter. His height is just double of my height. So you have to think like Birbal, I already told. So what you have to do, let us see now. See here, Jampa once read a list of tallest people in the world. That question only I am reading. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jampa's height. How tall is Jampa? Dash centimeter. Answer: height of longest man is 272 centimeter. Jampa's height equals half of longest man, because see Jampa, what she is telling, his height is 272 centimeter, but Jampa's height is double of that man's height. So double of that man's height means what? That man's height you have to make it half. So half of the longest man. How to do? Jampa's height equals 272 divides 2. So you have to divide 2 because it is double. So 2 times 2 equals 136 centimeters. So Jampa's height will be a 136 centimeter. If you divide, see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 7 you have to take down, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. So 2 you have to take down, 2 6 are 12. So 136 centimeter, the Jampa's height. Next, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? For example, you have to think our classroom door is only a 152 centimeter. Then that person without bending he can enter inside of our classroom. No, it is not possible. You have to bend. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? See, this is one of the question you have to think and you have to answer. Next, the long and short of your family. Who is tallest in your family? Who is shortest in your family? What is the difference between their heights? You have to write it yourself. Inter-school sports meet. This is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest to the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. Behind her is Rehana. Konkana and Muma are running behind Rehana. Look at the picture. To answer the question below, choose from this distance. See here, objective type questions like that, they are given answers, options. They have to choose from this. And listen, what does this means? Here the race, 100-meter race for girls, they are conducting in inter-school sports meet. Here the Arundhati is the nearest to the finishing line. See, finishing line you can observe in this picture. So for Arundhati it is 6 meters and she is about 6 meters from it. Behind her, behind that Arundhati, that is Rehana. Rehana. Behind that Rehana, Konkana and Uma are running. So you can see in this picture. Here behind Rehana, two children are running. That is Konkana and Uma. Now question, how far is Rehana from Arundhati? See how far is Rehana from Arundhati. You can observe here Rehana, that is Arundhati to the finishing line, it is 6 meter means Rehana to Arundhati it is half. Means we see that the distance between Rehana and Arundhati is half meters. Distance between Rehana and Arundhati is half meters and finishing line which is 6 meters. So Rehana, what you have to do? You have to divide. 6 divides 2 is, that is 3 centimeter, because half means 2. So that is 3 meters from Arundhati. So Rehana is 3 meters from Arundhati. Next, how far ahead is Rehana from Konkana and Uma? Rehana, how much distance from Konkana and Uma you have to find. We see that distance of Rehana from Konkana Uma is double the distance between Rehana and Arundhati. Rehana and Arundhati, it is a double for Konkana and Uma. You can see that Rehana is a 6 meter ahead of Konkana and Uma. How far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? See, Konkana and Uma is running behind the Rehana, and Rehana is Arundhati behind. Rehana is running. You can answer distance of the finishing line from Konkana and Uma equals distance between Rehana and Konkana, distance between Rehana and Konkana plus distance between Rehana and Arundhati plus distance between Arundhati and finishing line. Here see, finishing line to Arundhati, that is 6 meters, and Arundhati to Rehana, that is 3 meters, and Rehana to Konkana, that is 6 meters. See here distance between Rehana and Konkana plus, what is the distance between Rehana and Konkana? Rehana and Konkana, it is 6 centimeter. I already told in a previous question, that is Rehana and from Konkana and Uma is double the distance between Rehana and Arundhati. So Rehana and Konkana distance is 6 meters plus distance between Rehana and Arundhati. You can see in this picture Rehana and Arundhati is 3 meters, and the distance between Arundhati and finishing line they already given, it is 6 meters. So totally if you add, you will get 15 meters. Thus Konkana and Uma are 15 meters far from the finishing line. Thank you children. Remaining part of lesson we will continue in the next class.